a BLUETTI E70 here. These guys have sent it out for me to test and review. I'm going to do so with the Waco 75 litre fridge. I'm not putting a huge load onto it. My main thing is I'm going to see how long, I guess, this lasts charging or running a quite a large dual zone fridge. So pretty much I'm going to fill it full of beer, Great Northerns. I'll put some stuff in the freezer section of it, really load the fridge up, and just want to see how long and I guess how many days it'll last. It's at 100% now, as you can see here. The output voltage is 34 watts, so it's not using a lot, but I want to see how many days it can last. Pretty much I've got this. I've got the 12 volt system set up in the back of the car, but this here is so handy. You can just, it's light as, you just pick it up, put it in your swag, you can run a little aircon off it, charge your phones. It's got a wireless phone charger on top, sit your phone on top, it'll charge it. It's got the USB, it's got two USBs, a couple of 12 volt 10 amp inputs, two 240 volt inputs here. It's got a light, I think you got a hold, there you go. It's got a light, there's a couple of different settings of strobe and stuff on it too. There we go. 240 volt charge input, 12 volt from your vehicle, and solar as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it plugged into the fridge and see how long it lasts. And yeah, obviously it'll be all in this video, so stay tuned and we'll see how we go. So I previously mentioned about 3 seconds ago that I was going to see how long the BLUETTI ran my fridge for. Now, like I said, it's a dual zone 75 litre Waco. This isn't the biggest one BLUETTI does, it's only a small one, but it's perfect for the overnighters, 2 nights away. If you've got a station wagon, a little SUV or whatever, you just want to throw it in, you want to run some camp lights, you want to run a fridge instead of taking ice, this bad boy is perfect for it. You can run all your camp lights, you can run electric blankets, little fan, heater, fridge, whatever you want. It's perfect for what you need. Obviously, I'm not going to say it's perfect for the guys that go away for weeks on end and want something running camera gear, charging, drones, fridges, you know, you name it, every night for a week with no solar. In saying that, if you do have sun and you got good solar, you can just run this overnight, 2 nights, and charge it while solar, all with your 12 volt from your car. So it's really up to you what you use it for. They've got these ones, they've got bigger ones. Have a look on their website. I'll put the link in this in the description of the video, but check them out. Anyway, the fridge. It ran my dual zone fridge for 38 hours, full of beer. I think it was a roast chook in there and some leftover dinners as well. So it was packed. I didn't run the freezer. I only had the fridge on, but the both zones were on, and I think running at like -2. The beers were at -2. So for me, that's sweet because I've got the 12 volt system in my car. So the fridge will be connected to that. But we're sitting around the fireplace. You want to put the fridge next to you at the fire instead of having to get up and walk to your car all the time to get a beer out. This thing's perfect. Charge your phone. Like I said before, it's got a wireless charger on top. You get lights, USB, you can charge your phone however you want. You charge your mate's phone. And it's got the 240 outlet, so you can hair dry your hair or straighten your mullet if you got one. I'm trying to grow one. You can straighten and dry whatever you want around the fireplace. And you got the convenience of having a fridge sitting next to you. So yeah, guys, it's got my tick. So if you like it, check out the link in the description. Give them a message. They're on Instagram, BLUETTI. Check them out. Or swing me a message and I'll send you a link to their profile. Anyway, guys, have a good one. I'm also dropping a video from this weekend's adventure yesterday at Sugarloaf. So keep an eye on that. That'll be dropping tomorrow at 4:30. If you haven't subscribed, give us a sub. Hit that notifications bell so you know when I'm dropping. I'm going to probably be dropping a video each week now. As long as the big girl can keep up. I've got to give her a wash today. So yeah, if you like it, boys, give us a sub. And yeah, like I said, go and have a look at BLUETTI. They've got some cool shit. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.